Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluwashina Oyeniran, and in this video I will be talking about binary search. In my previous video I discussed linear search. So binary search is an efficient algorithm, but it can only work on a sorted array, which implies that whatsoever you are searching for, so that list of elements must already be sorted, which implies that we're going to be having a low band and a high band. Let's say you're looking for a figure between 1 and 10, which implies that there must be 1, which is the lowest band, and 10, which is the highest band, which implies that it's already sorted. Now, how does binary search work? The most important thing, which is the first step, is to determine which one is the low and which one is the high band. Now, when you determine the high and the low, then find the middle index and compare the middle element with the target. What you are looking for, look at the middle index first. If you look at the middle index and it's not there, now the next question is what you are looking for. Is it lesser than the middle index or greater than the middle index? If it is greater than the middle index, which implies that you are going to take the middle index and discard all the other elements towards the left. So your middle index is going to be the lowest band, and the last number is going to be the higher band, which implies that you've divided the entire array into two. Now that we know that what you are looking for is greater than the middle index, so we are going to look at the middle index again. Is it equal to what you are looking for? If it is yes, then it returns the index of that number. If it is no, it asks again, is it lower, is it higher? If it is lower, discard the one on the right and take care of the one that you have at hand. So this method works by dividing the elements into two until it gets to the last one, until the element you're looking for is found. Otherwise, it will keep dividing and dividing until it gets to it. So in this regard, I will be using a numeric example. So I have a snippet here. Now, if you look at this snippet, you're going to discover that I declare a binary search, an array of number, and I have the target number I'm looking for. Now, here I declare the low and the high, and I use a while statement to say is low, while low is lesser or equal to high, then the middle number is equals to low plus high divided by 2. So if the middle number is equals to the target, then return the middle number. Else, if the middle number is not the target, then compare the middle number with the middle number of the new array with the target. Then, which implies that the lower band is going to be middle plus 1, while higher band is going to be middle minus 1. Then return this. So by the time you do this, then you're going to repeat this process again to determine what you are looking for. Let's run this. So I'm bringing in a new snippet to confirm what we did. Now look at this. This is what we are looking for. This is our array 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. What we are looking for is 8. So what this is going to do is to divide this into 2 and look for the middle number. And you're going to agree with me that this is the middle number. So what it's going to do is to compare the middle number with this. Are they the same? No. Now, is the target greater than the middle number, lesser than the middle number? No. Then it's going to discard everything here. So we are left with all this. Then it's going to look at the middle, the lowest band and the highest band again, which is now this has become the lowest band and this has become the highest band. Don't forget that we already discarded all this because they are lesser than the target number. So here it's going to look again. Which one is the middle number? Now, you are going to agree with me that we don't have middle number here. Now that we don't have middle number, then what we are going to do is that uh, we're going to add all this together and divide it by 2. And by the time we divide it by 2, so we are still going to have uh, our middle number to be the next number to be this. But if you look at it, by the time you compare everything here with this first number, which is 10, we are going to discover that our target is lesser than this. Then it's going to move to this place. By the time it moves to this place, compare the number and expand it here. So that is when our search is complete. However, if what we are looking for is not here, then it's going to return that number not found. Going to run this code and you see find the number at position 4. And what is position 4? Don't forget from our indexing lesson, this is index 0, this is index 1, index 2, index 3, and index 4. And that is why it returned the position of the number of the index of the array we are the number we're looking for in the array. And this is how binary search works. So if you have any question, put it on the comment section. If you have suggestion, comments, put it on the comment section. I'm going to respond to it. I would like you to like the video, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. And be on the lookout for my next video. I will still be talking about others search algorithm. Thank you.